Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025. We are here in the build hangar / restoration hangar. That's where they do a lot of the community builds. And folks, we've got some monsters here and we're gonna walk through and then we are gonna showcase a Plain Fun RC exclusive, which is the 40-foot span B-36 that they're building as part of the community build. Right over here, folks, we got the 75% scale Volksplane. You saw the build here on the channel. And of course, we just passed the Jenny over there, massive Jenny. You can see it there. And as we pan to my left here, we've got a massive Ryan. And just above that is the 85% scale Piper Cub, the world's largest RC Cub. Pardon the noise, folks, we're doing some work in the back. Now, over here, as you can see on that table, spanning 26, or a length of 26 feet, if I'm correct, is the fuselage for the 40-foot span B-36. That's right, folks, you heard me say it correctly. The 40-foot span B-36, which will have 6 engines. And I think they're doing 2 turbines, if I remember correctly. Absolutely massive, as you can see. Just gigantic. And for perspective, let me take you around here. Oops. That is a 3D printed set of the landing gear and wheels. And I'm going to put my hand right here so you can get an idea of just how big the landing gear is. Absolutely massive, folks. Absolutely massive, but everything on here is laser cut by a gentleman named Randy Charles. And Randy is a phenomenal builder. That Ryan you saw in the video, he built that, as well as the Jenny. And he is a meticulous builder, folks. So we're in for a real treat here, folks. Real treat. But it is just awe-inspiring to see a plane of this magnitude. Just amazing. Folks, we'll be revisiting the build throughout the event, so make sure to like and subscribe, and more to come.
This is just that's just how big it is.
Folks, you can see he's holding the rib right there. Isn't that crazy? That is where the rib is going to sit. That gives you a really good perspective of just how massive this plane is going to be. That's crazy. All right, friends, more to come.